Hi guys, welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres. As you can see, I'm down here at the pig pen. Temperature's really starting to drop. They're calling for well below freezing the next few nights. So we're gonna go ahead and put up another side for this pig shelter right here. Needless to say, we didn't plan on having the pigs quite this long. So when we designed this, we built it with just a roof to kind of keep them out of the rain, with one end panel right there to kind of block a little bit of wind. But now that the weather's coming in, we're gonna come in here and we're just gonna kind of attach a board on the outside here, because we can't get in there because then we couldn't get to our feeder. So we're gonna put it on the outside here. We're just gonna wire it up to this panel just to block the wind, and we're gonna throw a bunch of hay in there for them. That way they get kind of warmed up. They don't get quite so cold at night. So let's go up to the shop, see if we can find us a piece of plywood that's roughly 4 foot by 4 foot. Maybe we can get them hooked up for this evening. Okay guys, we're up here in the shop. I think this piece right here goes from there down. I'm gonna say that's pretty daggone close to 48 inches. So let's get that one dug out of there and see how it measures up. All right, 42 3/4 by 48. That'll work, guys. Let's go back down to the pig pen. Like I say, it's just OSB, untreated. Both sides are raw. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. Like I say, it doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to last a long time. Pigs are going to market in February. So, we gotta get by, what, a couple months? Here it is, almost the 1st of December. So December, January, February, about 2.5 months is all we got to get by. So let's go make this happen. Like I say, it's not going to be a perfect fit, but it gets that wind knocked down, a little bit of gap in there. So I'm gonna go up here and grab the drill and the wire. Be right back. See there, that's how destructive them things are. They just want to tear everything apart. Usually it's got to calm down a little bit. Guys, I bought this cheap fencing wire. I don't know where to get good fence wire at anymore, but this stuff is so weak you can't hardly twist it to get a knot tied in it. Okay, you see there, we've got 2 wires on the top. I'm gonna put a couple across the bottom now. Okay guys, so as you can see, like I said, nothing fancy. There is still a gap there, but I mean it is what it is. So Gracie's come out and she's gonna help me throw some hay in here to these pigs, give them something to bed in. Yep. Just throw it up in there the best we can. We'll flake it and throw it over in. Alright guys, as you can see, got plenty of hay there for them. They'll get in there and start rooting around in that. But they'll start staying warm now. They'll get in there and they'll make a bed out of it. They'll be good to go. Okay guys, so as you could tell, we got the board put up. We got hay put out there for them pigs. The temperature right now, I think, was like 40, 41 degrees. Wind is straight out of the north at 17 to 20 miles an hour, so that's getting pretty nippy out there for these pigs. But if you like what you see, guys, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave us a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and most of all, make sure that you smash that bell and get notified of the next video when it comes out.